Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Gatus, a lightweight, fast and powerful monitoring tool for your Homelab. If you used Uptime Kuma, you definitely want to see how Gatus compares. It's super minimal, blazing fast and entirely config based. As always, the full setup steps and config files are in the GitHub repo linked in the description. Let's get started. So what exactly is Gatus? Gatus is an open source uptime monitoring tool. Unlike Uptime Kuma, which is more UI driven, Gatus is configured via YAML files and is built for speed and simplicity. With Gatus you can monitor endpoints over HTTP, ping, DNS and more. Receive alerts via Slack, Discord, email and other providers. Get a clean and fast dashboard. And of course, it runs in a container, so you can deploy it with Docker or in Kubernetes. If you're looking for something that's minimal and efficient and set it and forget it, Gatus is for you. Let's quickly spin up Gatus in Docker. First we create the config folder and file. For now I'm using a simple example, but you'll find a more detailed version in the GitHub repo. Now let's run the container. That's it. Visit HTTP, your server IP, and your Gatus status page is live. In my Homelab, I use Gatus to monitor servers, services, DNS resolution, and internet availability. Just add more entries to the YAML config and restart the container. Gatus will start and monitor them right away. Gatus also supports alerting through many providers. Here's how you add a simple Discord alert. Just open your config file, insert the alerting stack you want, and change the settings. After that, save your file and restart Gatus. Now you get real-time alerts when services go down. So is Gatus better than Uptime Kuma? If you love speed, YAML and version controllable configs, definitely yes. If you want an easy UI-driven configuration, Uptime Kuma is your choice. Honestly, both tools are great. It really depends on your workflow and preferences. Personally, I prefer YAML-based configuration over UI-driven tools, so Gatus is the right choice for me. That's it for today's video. Gatus is a fantastic tool if you're into GitOps style Homelab or want something lightweight that just works. Let me know in the comments, are you Team Kuma or Team Gatus? And if you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Homelab content. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video.